Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is not going to be about finance. Today's topic is not going to be about entertainment or English grammar. It's something which I separately have planned out. It's going to be about consistency. Yeah, consistency. Consistency is something that we all lack. Okay, especially for all the YouTube content creators which are watching me out, that we do terribly lack at making content. We are slack, we are lazy, we don't like to make contents every day. But yeah, you must keep this practice that every week, at least at the weekends, if you are a job going person, then you might choose weekends. If you're a student, at least choose your comfortable time, because after study you have a lot of time gaps, so try to utilize that. And secondly, which I would suggest is that whatever you're doing, may it be a job, may it be your passion, whatever you're following, whatever you're doing in your life at this moment, it should be your description, it should be your definition, not somebody else's definition. And if you're doing it to the fullest extent, if you're giving it the 110% to it, you cannot lack consistency. This is my well proven, well defined definition of the day, that please be consistent in whatever you're doing, because consistency will help you in a long run. And suppose if I have to give an example, that 3 videos you uploaded, in my case I'm just considering YouTube, in your case it might be job, or in your case it might be submitting assignments, but in my case I am seeing that I am lagging a bit these days, because I am not regular in uploading contents. I'm seeing that I'm binge watching a lot of other things in YouTube, which is eating up my productive time. So I'm just cutting out all of these, and I've decided that whatever might happen, I'm going to make a video, I'm going to shoot a video today, and this was my commitment, and I am truly at it. And you can see me, I'm standing here. So please be consistent. This was the message for today. And whatever you're doing, just keep on shooting. If it's YouTube, then keep on shooting videos. Don't mind much about the analytics, what are the subscribers, how much the subscriber changes, what are the views, how much likes, how much comments. Just don't focus on that. Keep on making good and better content. This is something that I've learned from the great YouTubers of all time who have achieved success in this field, that they have also told that they had wasted their valuable time by just consuming on this field and literally not creating it. Because once you are in this platform, you have to push yourself. Nobody is going to tell you that, okay, make content, it's 5 o'clock, make now, it's 6 o'clock, you can script it now. No, you have to do your own scripting, you have to do your own editing, and finally you have to shoot your video. So no one's going to do that for you. Okay, I hope you love this content, and make sure you like, share and subscribe. That's the original tradition which every YouTuber does, and everyone, I hope, understands the cordial culture of YouTube family, that like, share and subscribe is a must. Bye.